how to add reviews to your Shopify store. So in this video, I'll be guiding you step by step on how to exactly add reviews to your Shopify store. So let's start. So by default, Shopify does not have a review function, right, where you can collect reviews and add them to your Shopify store. But you're in luck, they do have a Shopify app store, and there are a ton of great Shopify apps that do reviews. So for this video, you're going to want to go ahead and open the Shopify app store. You can do this by clicking on apps, right? And then you want to go ahead and select all recommended apps and just click Shopify app store, right? Or you could click the link in the description below and be taken to the app that we're going to be downloading today into our Shopify account, right? It's called Looks, and it's a fantastic product review app. Again, I'll have a link for it in the description below, so you guys can just go ahead and click download. So once you're there, by clicking the link in the description below, you're going to click install. Right, we're going to have to give some permissions so that I can access certain things into our Shopify account. Right, and then from here, you'll be able to select a plan that works for yourself, right? So for this video, I'm just going to select this one. Beginner, stick with beginner for now. They do offer a free trial, so you'll be able to try to access a lot of their premium features when using the premium, when using the free trial. So we already have the onboarded flow here, so we already enabled Looks, right? And you can always just click here, which will take you to the theme editor, and we can see it's turned on, right? If it was turned off, right, then we'll turn it on and click save, right? Because it's already on, we're good. Now the next thing is there should be a widget already displayed in my reviews, and I'll show you where that is, right? So now Looks is telling me if I want to import reviews that maybe I've collected or emailed past customers, right? So this is one of the benefits, is that you could, if you've been collecting reviews of your product, then you're gonna want to go ahead and import those reviews, right? And then of course other things like providing feedback on Looks itself, right? So one of my favorite things about this is that you'll be able to manage your reviews here, right? So you can just go ahead and just, manage which reviews you want and don't want, right? You could go ahead and collect reviews as well from within Looks. So if somebody buys something, right, after, let's say they buy something, then you can send them an email 14 days later, right, after fulfillment, what they thought about the product, right? And if they could provide you, a review, maybe via video, right, you could give them maybe an extra 10% off or something for the next purchase, right? And so all these are just great email automations that you want to have when it comes to collecting reviews for your customer. And that's why I really like Looks, that they do this already for you, right? You just have to go ahead and edit it and turn it on, and that's it. And then your widget, right? So your widgets allow you to select how your store, what type of review widgets you want to have in your store, right? Do you want to have, the reviews widget like this? Do you want to have star ratings, pop-up widget, etc., right? So let's go ahead and add the reviews, right? So we're gonna go to our online store, and then from here you're gonna select your theme you're using. So you could go ahead and click edit theme. So by default we should be seeing it right now. If I click my watch page, like if I go to the product page itself, click watch, I should see it right when I scroll down. So there we go. So how did this get added? Well, it's actually very simple. So I'm going to just remove it right now so that you guys can see. So let's pretend that we want to have it right under this, right? We don't want this, right? So we're going to delete this one as well. And we're going to just go ahead and click here and select apps. Excuse me. So now you'll be able to quickly see which type of widgets you want to have, right, for the Looks, right? So let's go ahead and write maybe the snippets widget, right? So maybe you want this one, right? Maybe this one will work better in the home page, right? But you can always just keep trying and see which one works for you, right? Maybe the snippet widget is not right for you. Yeah. You could go again and trust another one. Right, maybe you want this one, right? The slider. This one looks really nice, right? And so maybe if you're selling, like, if I had a watch, if I was selling my watch, right, maybe it'll be like somebody showing their watch, right, wearing their watch and how they like it, right, and then like a nice testimonial, right? So this is how you'll be able to add reviews into your Shopify theme using looks, right? And so once you're happy with it, you just want to make sure you click save, right? And then you'll be able to see the reviews on your site, right, once you click save. And so that is how you add reviews to your Shopify store. If you guys have any questions, you can always comment down below and I'll be happy to help.